Dear brothers and sisters, now you are going for Hajj. What is the important thing is you must have a complete list of your packing. Here I am going to suggest 18 items that you should be having with you when you are going for Hajj. I am going to go through very quickly so you can record these things and you can prepare your document as per my video. Number 1. Documents and books. Passport with 3 copies you should have. Leave in your suitcase couple of copies and 1 copy with you along with your passport. Make sure that you have the Hajj permit and the Hajj visa with you. Make sure that you ensure that the hotel booking papers are with you. Health insurance card. Personal photos, you should have 6 of them with you. Emergency contacts list, 3 of them should be placed in different suitcases and in your purse. Credit cards and ATM cards, details, and you can have those things in your mobile also. Have a couple of pens and the pencils and a small notebook with you. Have a pocket Quran so that you can read at anywhere. But at the same time, if you have a mobile, you can read the Quran from the mobile also. Have a Hajj guides notebook or a small booklet with you all the time. You should have at least 2 slippers which has an open on the top of your foot. If you are wearing a slipper for the man, you can use slippers and the sandal provided the top is open. Number 8 is basic items. Ihram, not take 1 set, take 2 sets because it can get dirty or it can get required to be changed. Then you make sure that okay, you have 4 ihram sheets. Number 14, have a small pouch hang around your neck. Have a prayer mats, 1 old bed sheets, 1 sleeping bag, sunglasses, travel pillow, umbrella is very, very important, wristwatch, water spray bottle for cooling purposes, 2 towels, and a small mirror. Then when you're talking about the food, take some dry food, and the medical items are very, very important. Dry snacks, biscuits, nuts, dates of your choice, water bottle, disposable plates, spoon and the glasses. Take some Panadol and the Disprin, cough syrup. Your special medicine, particularly for sugar patients, blood pressure, heart. If you are going for 10 days, take 20 days of your medicine. If you are going for 45 days, take 60 days of medicine, because sometimes when you are taking the medicine can fall down on the ground and you won't be able to use it. Take anti-rash cream, muscle relaxant cream, band-aids, throat lozenges, ORS, as well as hand sanitizers and mouth and nose mask. Some people say that okay, you cannot cover the mouth, the face. Yes, you can cover as long as you are using the mask, because it is important. Take soap which is non-scented, shampoo non-scented, miswak you can have it, toothbrush, toothpaste, detergents, deodorants, hairbrush or a comb, nail cutter you require, razor, small scissor, but make sure that scissor should not be in your hand carry, because when you are going through the custom, they will take the scissor out and they will throw it out. Tissue papers, as well as wet wipes, sewing kits. Take some needles, threads, and the safety pins. And you must have the mobile and the mobile charger, as well as a portable battery and the bank and the chargers, the electric socket converters, as well as a power extension cord not more than 3 meters long. Then plus your normal clothing, 3 shirts at least, 3 trousers, shalwars and kurta, undershirts, underwear, shoes, your shaving kit, jacket, ladies garments, ladies headscarf, makeup kits and ladies items, and make sure that you add your own items. Here I have pointed out to you about 80 items that you should prepare yourself for going Hajj. Hajj Mabruk. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.